How's everybody doing? Thursday edition of No Edits Crypto. It is episode number 45 today. We are going to touch on two stories and some a market update as always. But the first story is on my beloved Litecoin. It's down again today. 2.31% yesterday, or the last 24 hours. It fell to a 3-week low at it fell to as little as $175 per Litecoin per LTC, and that had been the lowest valuation per Litecoin since the 13th of February. So not the best story for Litecoin, but Litecoin pushed lower because the entire cryptocurrency market is moving lower. It's not a individual move by Litecoin. It's just going lower. But I just wanted to touch on that. That was a 3-week low for Litecoin. So better days ahead. We have been sliding sideways for a few weeks now, and a little bit. The market has been bearish, but we'll see. I'm just so confident that we're going so much higher soon. It seems to me that they're shaking loose all the weak hands one last time here before they start push. I mean, we already saw $6,500 Bitcoin last month, and then we got up to we were pushing 12K. So that's a $6,000. That's a 50%. We got right back to where we wanted to be, and then we just didn't get over that cusp. So I kind of think that this may be one last dip lower before we head up. But as always, this is just my opinion. But the second story is really cool. Sierra Leone, actually, it's official. I've been saying this for a really long time, and a lot of people thought I was crazy. But Sierra Leone completed the first blockchain verified election Wednesday for the presidency in their country, Sierra Leone. So that's pretty. There were 16 candidates, and unbeknownst to the voters, the votes were cast and they were recorded. The entire process was recorded on the blockchain. So the people monitoring this were able to watch it in real time and see what was going on in the election and verify. This is great. I'll post the link to this story, but the company is actually a blockchain voting startup company named Agora, and I just think this is so cool. And this is gonna be the first of many. This will be the future. Every election will be done on the blockchain in the next 5 years probably. So awesome of Sierra Leone to lead the way there and be the first ones to implement that system. As for the market today, we are still seeing some pretty big losses. Bitcoin's down 4.13% at $9,477 right now. Down up barely 0.08% for the hour. Ethereum's flirting with $600 range now, below the $700. Well, the $700 range, but dipping below into the 600s, which would be very shocking. But it's down 4.07% for the day. Let's see here. My beloved Litecoin bounced back to $3 since yesterday's 3-week low, but it's still down at 178.56, down 2.31% for the day. Neo at $93.34, down 5.68% for the day. And Steam has really dropped as well. It's down to $274 per Steam, and it is down 2.15% for the day. So overall, not what we want to see. A lot of red. Everything for the last 24 hours that is worth mentioning is in the red. But the charts, a lot of people were saying that the charts that we look at the people who analyze Bitcoin and the other cryptocurrencies look at to do some technical analysis, and they're the people that day and swing trade. There are some that think that signs point to blast off coming shortly here, and that the moon is imminent. But I'm not going to make that prediction yet because I didn't think we would dip under 9,500, or I didn't want to see us dip below 9,500. I didn't know if we would, and we are right on that bound right now. So, could I see us going lower in the next 2 days? Yes. Could I see us taking off also and really testing that $12,000 bound for Bitcoin and seeing $250 Litecoin in the next week? Could happen, but we'll have to wait and see. I think all this good news about everything, mostly everything has been good news. All the governments are accepting cryptocurrency as the future, getting legislation ready. You see that in Russia. You see states in the United States now that are making moves to accept it as payment for their taxes. It's just it's inevitable that all these start heading back upwards shortly. So I think this is just short-term red figures, and we'll be back in the green shortly. But everybody have a good Thursday night, and I will bring you another update tomorrow, probably around the same time tomorrow. So have a good night, everyone.